Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa Baguio Night Market. This is a road na sinasara dito gabi-gabi. But, ang pupuntahan natin is not this Tiangge, but rather the food stalls here on the other side. May mga kainan kasi dito sa Baguio Night Market and maraming mga street food ang pwede nating makita o matikman. Halika, samahan nyo ako. Checkin natin kung ano mga pwedeng mahanap dito sa food stalls sa Baguio Night Market. Right, so first meron sila ditong corn. There. Here's a shawarma stall. Shawarma. Hey, over here, what's this? Yan, mga ulam. Ulam at kanin. There. Dito naman mga footlong hotdog and burgers. Mas katabi niya, also shawarma. Okay. Nice shawarma. Check it out.
Ayun o, baso ay nasarap nyo na.
And then over here, may mga calamares, squid balls, street food. May day-old squid ball, ano to, chicken balls. May kwek-kwek. Meron ding tofu, kikiam. Yan. Hi po. Here, next, meron silang chow mein noodles. Wow! Ito naman mga sisigan. Yan, pinapaapoy pa. Nice. Ano kaya yan? Sisig? Okay, very good. Sorry. May mga iba-ibang klase ng sisig. Okay. On the other side, katabi naman niya, yan, you have the usual barbecuehan. Barbecues. May mga isaw, atay. Ano pang nandyan? Betamax. Balat tenga. Here they have ito, mga chicken skin. Chicken skin. There you go, chicken skin. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yan, mga drinks, palamig. It's been raining the whole afternoon, so I don't know kung ano ang lagay ng area na to kapag hindi umuulan. But right now, medyo maraming tao. Pero yun nga lang, it's very difficult to walk around kasi it's been raining. Okay, let's see what's on the other side. Okay? Let's start over here. Yan. Another ihawan place. Yan. Ihawan place ulit. There. Isaw, barbecue, atay, hot dogs. Yan. And then sa tabi niya, ito medyo mabili to. Kanina pa ang daming tao dito, napapansin ko. Because it's a Korean street food. Ano pa that? Korean street food. So, it's a popular stall here. Sorry, excuse me. So far, ito yung nakita kong pinakamaraming tao dito sa Korea. Here's another barbecue shop. But this is kebab. Grilled barbecue and kebab. So meron silang mga Persian barbecues over there. Yeah. Okay. And then on the other side, sa kabila, let's see. Ito yung tanghulu. Tanghulu. So this is a new thing. It's not meat. These are strawberries and grapes na binabad sa pinatigas na candy. Sugar na naging candy. Candied sugar. That's tanghulu. Okay. Over here, they got mga sisigan. Okay. Tapos yon ay takoyaki. And then, balik tayo dito sa area na to. Yan, may mga drinks dito. Yan, sana tumigil ang ulan tonight para ma-enjoy natin yung night market. It's very cold today. It's 19 degrees here in Baguio. Today is March 29, 2024. Start na ng rainy season, so maulan talaga. Tapos na yung panahon ng tag-init sa Philippines. So i-welcome natin ang rainy season.
Sa inyo po.
Okay, so mukhang nag-enjoy naman yung mga tao dito sa Baguio kahit maulan. And I think part na talaga ng day-to-day life dito sa Baguio ang ulan. Yan, here, the last stall, meron silang mga balot. Balot and penoy. Let's see. Yan, balot and penoy. Okay, so these are the food stalls here in Baguio Night Market. Okay na lang muna for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.